2021 came around, and what I didn't know was I had some health problems. And here I am, an elite level athlete. I started getting sick and I didn't know what it was. I started all these blood tests. I was seeing doctors. Nobody could figure out what was wrong with me. Then my organs one by one started shutting down. And because of my past boxing injuries, I was at high risk for a stroke. So my blood pressure is going up. My doctor said, you need to go be hospitalized. Like, it was getting bad quick. Finally, and it sounds so weird when I say it like this, found out it was stress. So my stress was so high, I didn't really realize it, that it was, my body was just shutting down one by one. My doctor said, you are going to have a stroke. This is going to take your life if you don't. All from stress. All from stress. Kind of my badge of honor, saying, well, look at all this money I'm making. Look at all these people I'm helping. Look at all this money I'm saving. Look at the life I live. This is great, And so I think where I went wrong is I just took on too much and I didn't let it go to other people. And yeah.
That's
and
right.
let them handle it.